Okay, I'm gonna try and talk you through how I did this slat wall as quickly as possible. To start off, rather than using the traditional finishing nails, I used Velcro. Part of my thinking behind this is that I didn't want to go back through and fill in a bunch of nail holes, and this is more temporary, so if I decide that I don't really like it after a few years, it'll be easy to change. I basically just stuck a bunch of Velcro squares along the back of these boards and then pushed them up against the wall. I started with the centerpiece and then worked my way out. You'll notice these don't go all the way to the ground. The reason for that is because the bed's going to be pushed up against here. And these boards were a couple dollars cheaper a piece than the longer ones. You'll notice here I just turned the board sideways to use it as a spacer in between each board. Once I get towards the end where the bed won't cover this part, I went with the longer boards. And that's pretty much it. Now I just need to wait for our bed frame to get here and buy some new bedding. Let me know in the comments what other questions you have.